Blacked out Jeep Wrangler here again. Welcome back to another vlog. Well, today we're going to be talking about my light bar. It makes a lot of noise. We tried a lot of things and we found a solution. So I want to thank and give a shout out to AdventureX right now. He put up an awesome video about this product. It got me looking into it, and so I'm going ahead with this purchase, and hopefully it should do the Jeep some good. So let's walk to the front of the Jeep. Okay, so here we are at the front. That's the light bar. Now, the first few things that I've tried to do in the past is tilt the light bar a little forward or a little lower, and that has worked for some of you guys. Unfortunately, that wasn't good enough for me. So what I ended up doing is putting some door trim at the back of it, and then putting this zip ties in front to hold those so they don't come apart at the back. And so again, that really didn't do it for me either. It's done it for some of you guys, but depending on the light bar and the structure of it, it doesn't work. So we're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna check out this new product that looks quite fascinating. I'm gonna give you guys my little review and my little thought about everything. So we're gonna go up and we're gonna actually shop for it right now. Follow me, let's head up there. Just logged into AeroXindustries.com and immediately we see this product right over here, which looks quite interesting. Available for a 50 to 52 inch light bar. It's high grade UV polycarbonated. Alright guys, so I'm excited to shop. Let's take a look. Wow, take a look at this, guys. So we're gonna add this one to cart for sure. We're gonna try some of these. These aren't bad price wise. So I'm gonna go ahead and place a few items for order here and see how it goes. So the shipment has finally come in. Got the box right over here. Super excited to get it open and see what we got inside. Wow. Okay guys, come in closer and take a look. Alright, so it seems to be one of the inserts that they've given from AeroX. Sick. Guys, if you guys could actually see this, the quality of this plastic, it's not what I thought. It's honestly not what I thought when I saw it online. It is hardcore. It's heavy duty plastic. It's not like something that's just a wrap that would go around the light. I always love unpackaging stuff. It's always fun, especially when I can share it with you guys. It's like a kid at a toy store. They have a small little AeroX logo right over here. But other than that, it's a clean, clear canvas for whatever you want to do. I got to show you one thing over here, if you guys can get in nice and close. Made in the US. So this is American made. I'm going to see what else is in here. Just slide the rest out here. Alright. Okay, so we got the filters here. So this is what I ordered online. I ordered green. Okay, there's a red. I'm not sure if you guys can see that clear enough, but that is a red. I got blue. Alright. This is a black. I also picked out white, and I also picked out amber. So what we're going to do is, before I put this on, we are going to take a test drive of the Jeep. You're going to hear how loud the whistle bar is right now. And then from there, we're going to put this bad boy on, and then we're going to do another test drive. And you guys are going to see, I'm crossing fingers, how quiet the whistle bar can get. Follow me. So generally the whistle starts when I hit about 80 kilometers an hour and up. Hitting 90, and there we go. At 100 kilometers an hour, you can hear the sound. Alright guys, so we just made it downstairs, and I'm super excited to get this on because it is super loud. So this is already cut and made for a 52 inch light bar. If you do have a 50 inch light bar, you will have to cut it. So I'm just going to take a quick measure, make sure everything's good, and then slap her on. Let me start with my side. Alright, start opening it. Yep. Boom shakalaka. Alright. All right, guys, it definitely helps if you have a second person giving you a hand. We got it on. Let me show you how it looks. All right, now what I'll do is I'll turn on the light bar to see how it shines through, if there's a lot of glare or not. This is without any filters. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so this is how it looks sitting in the driver's seat, and we're not getting any blinding glare or reflection on the hood. This is good. This is really good. Alright guys, so this is it. This is on, and now we are going to go for a test drive to see if this actually helped. Perfect. 100, 110. Wow. Totally quiet. I'm going to turn the camera around. The test drive went out perfectly. It's finally quiet, so that was just amazing. So now what we're gonna do is, we're in the garage right now, and I'm gonna put on the company's cover, which is semi-transparent as well, so we'll get some light through here. Then we're gonna head outside and we're gonna take a look at the amazing color filters that I've picked up in pure darkness. So tip for this one is, number one, the size of it is 52 inches or just slightly shorter than 52 inches, so it fits within your brackets. If you have a 50-inch light bar, then what you have to do is you have to cut the cover, and once you've cut the cover, then any of the filters that you've purchased, any of the colors or whatnot, those would have to be cut as well. So I haven't cut mine because I have a 52-inch light bar, so we should be good with this. The trick is, what you have to do is you have to make sure that the cover is clean and is free of any debris, because you could scratch up your filters. What you're gonna do is, if you're a right-handed person, you are gonna start at the passenger side of the Jeep. If you are a left-handed, you are gonna start at the driver's side. So this is the guy that we're gonna be putting on. We're gonna see how this actually fits, and then I'll be just doing the other ones really quick and showing you the colors. Tip is that you are going to cup the end of the filter or the cover that you're going to be putting on. Cup it like this, and it's going to slide in nice and easy. So I'm going to bring the camera a little closer into the area where I'll be working, and we'll get this on, and let's see how it goes. That was super easy. All right, I'm gonna bring the camera back at the front. We're gonna switch on that light, and we're gonna see how it looks. Alright guys, so that's how I'm keeping it. I'm keeping the blue, I have the blue rock lights, that's how it is. So my overall thoughts on this product, fantastic. The light bar casing itself is a 10 out of 10 because it totally takes away the light bar whistle. Plus there's not much wind noise. Hearing the wind hit it is not noticeable. So I'm super happy, my wife's super happy, my kids are super happy. There's no more whistle. I love the colors that they have. You can check them out on their website. I give it 10 out of 10 also because they mentioned on the website that this light bar the actual plastic itself will not change color over time with the heat of the light or anything like from the outside sun and stuff like that. It will not turn yellow, it will not tarnish in any color. Number two, it's hardcore plastic. So think of it this way. You want to protect that light bar from stone chips, which we never really think about. We always think about it hitting our window, but it could definitely crack our light bar. This plastic cover over here will protect your light bar as well. So it's an investment. Number three, you are protecting your LEDs and the whole casing from a flood of water as well. So be it if you take this into a car wash, you're not getting that direct water onto the glass, which can seep into some light bars. Some are made cheaply. We do know that. So, you know, that will prevent it. Plus, you know, all the elements of rain and snow and all that stuff that just sit on it, like snow and ice. This is totally protecting it. So I am super happy with it, and I love the fact that the creator of this decided that let's make filters to put in these awesome colors. I'm happy. I love it. So till next time, remember, Jeep, just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.